Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A4 B9 key battery full guide. Use a thin plastic pry tool to separate the fob halves at the seam, then twist gently to avoid snapping clips. Remove the old coin cell, note the orientation, and slide the new CR 2032 into place with the positive side up. Reassemble the case, test the buttons, and confirm the remote locks and unlocks the car reliably before you finish. Start by placing your fob on a toweled surface to prevent scratches and keep tiny parts visible. Have a fresh CR 2032 battery and a plastic pry tool ready, and avoid metal tools that can short the cell or mar the casing. Take a quick photo of the battery orientation inside the fob so reinstallation is foolproof. Keep gentle, steady pressure when opening the case to preserve the small plastic clips and hinges. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so you get more clear car tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: the water bottle you see here, the Eau Ala, keeps you hydrated anywhere and makes garage work more pleasant. Check the description for the link and more deals if you want one for your shop. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the fob opened, remove the old battery using a fingernail or plastic tool to avoid damaging contacts. Install the new CR 2032 with the same orientation you photographed earlier, ensuring it sits flush against the contact springs. Press the case halves together until you hear the clips click, then press each button to verify lock, unlock, and trunk functions. If any button feels loose, reopen and realign the inner module carefully for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.